In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Kraken. To do this, first just go and open up the Kraken app or website, and if you're using the app, click transfer and then withdraw. If you're using the website, just go to your portfolio right here in the left menu and then click withdraw as well. Now from there you have a few options. You can do a cash currency such as Euro, US dollar, Canadian dollar, or a cryptocurrency. So just select what you want to withdraw. Now the process is a bit different for cash and for crypto. If you want to do cash, just select the currency. Then here you can select a funding provider, so domestic or international. I'll use domestic, and then here you can choose how much you want to withdraw, and then here select where to. So you can withdraw to a bank account, which is what I have. I have my Revolut account here, but you can also click change and then add a new bank account in order to connect another one. And from there, just click review and confirm it, and then the money will be transferred to that bank account. But if you want to withdraw money in the form of crypto, just select the cryptocurrency, and then here the network you want to send it with, then for example Bitcoin, and then here which wallet you want to send it to. So if you're using crypto, you will need to send it to another crypto wallet or exchange. So just enter the withdrawal address, and then if you already have it, then you can just select it. From there, choose how much you want to send and review and confirm it, and then it will be on its way to the other wallet. But if you just want to withdraw the money in cash to your bank account, just select your currency here that you have, then select the best method for you, and then choose how much and connect your bank account and then confirm it, and then it will be on its way. So that's how to withdraw money from Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.